Hi friends, this is Aryan Jain from Car King Accessories. In Hyundai Exter today we have installed MOSFET front dashcam. This is the device is with 2K resolution. This we have installed. This is the device with front dashcam. You can insert the SD card in this. No need any wire cutting. It will connect it through your car charger and through the app, through the Wi-Fi, through the app you can see the recording. It will be helpful while driving. Any accident or anything happened to in your front, you can show as a proof of evidence. This is very useful device for your car. If you want the same device for your car, do visit Car King Accessories Chennai, or you can call the screen number. Thank you.